In a city like Mumbai, wherein every day a new skyscraper is coming up, finding a lush greenery view is very difficult. But today we are bringing you one such project wherein if you are standing from the balcony, you have this amazing beautiful greenery view. Yes, you see, because this is the Rani Bagh area, this view will be there forever. This is a balcony of a 3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment. We are in Byculla right now. Right from the start, if you come on the left hand side, that is on that side, you have the first and foremost the kitchen area. In the end of the kitchen area, you have the dry area which can be used for washing machine as well. Now coming to the living area, here you have very nice and spacious living area. This side is the dining area. Here is your living area followed by the deck. Moving ahead, this is the common washroom over here on my right. As you all can see, diagonally opposite is the first bedroom which has a washroom attached to it. The washroom is there on the right hand side. Moving ahead, this is the second bedroom. From second, let's come to the third bedroom. The third is the master bedroom as well. From this bedroom also, you have this amazing lush greenery view. As you all can see, this is the view what we are talking about. This view will be there forever and ever. We are in Byculla. It's a 3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment. For carpet area, pricing, amenities and other details, please see the description box. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors. Thank you.